The Epidiolex Argument and Why It Doesn't Work. On November 15th, 2013, GW Pharma announced that they were coming out with a drug trial for a CBD drug called Epidiolex. In other words, GW is testing to see if cannabidiol, CBD, oil works for people with intractable epilepsy. And we're glad other people are doing research in this area, and we have nothing but gratitude for GW and their research. But this information has been perverted by a number of unqualified testimonies. And now we need to clear up some myths about why this has very little to do with the HB 885 bill. Myth 1. It's safer because it's FDA approved. The fact is, we don't know if Epidiolex is safe and effective, which is why GW is running the trials in the first place. We do know the current CBD oils have had over 2 years of use without incident or side effects. Myth number 2. Everyone has access to the trial. When in truth, the guidelines to the Epidiolex trial are very restrictive, and only those with a couple of syndromes, Dravet and Lennox-Gastaut, qualify. There are thousands of children with the very same symptoms that do not and will never qualify. Myth number 3. It's just the same thing, an FDA-approved version of CBD oil. Epidiolex only contains a few of the active ingredients of cannabis oil. There is a good chance that other compounds may be key to cannabis extracts working as well as they do. So no, Epidiolex is not the same. Myth number 4. Easy access for Georgia patients. If you do happen to have a child with one of the only 2 disorders allowed, and you make it to the trial program, you would have to travel to another state like New York or California for treatment, since there's not one or may never be one in the state of Georgia. If you are lucky to be the one out of 125 patients in the entire U.S., and you get into the treatment trial program, you're going to see a lot more of this country. You better have a good car and deep pockets. But you know what? We have something that works, and it works now. Cannabis oil saved Charlotte Figge's life. And aren't our children just as important? We call on the Georgia legislature to pass HB 885 just as it was written, to save the lives of these children so desperately in need. Don't let the Epidiolex argument be a red herring. This isn't about politics. This is about our children.